Hello and welcome. I'm your host, AI, and this episode is brought to you by CBN Financial. Today is July 29, 2025, and here's your latest update on the markets. Wall Street kicked off the week cautiously with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite closing at new record highs for the 6th and 14th consecutive session, respectively. The nominal S&P advance was modest, just 1.13 points less than 0.1%, while the Dow Jones dipped 0.1% to 44,837.56, and the Nasdaq climbed 0.3% to 21,100. Investor sentiment was underpinned by optimism for the new US-EU trade deal, which is broadly priced in, and strong momentum in semiconductor and tech stocks. The Nasdaq hit its 14th record high in July, while the S&P posted its 6th straight all-time close, signaling continued bullishness. Futures upbeat this morning. S&P futures gained roughly 0.3%. Nasdaq futures rose 0.5%, while Dow futures remained flat, suggesting modest upside heading into today's session. Corporate movers and sector highlights: Tesla surged about 3 to 4%, fueled by the $16+ billion AI chip deal with Samsung, which is expected to support next-generation AI 6 chips made in Texas. Nvidia gained nearly 1.9%. bolstered by strong AI demand and plans to order 300,000 AI chips from TSMC amid renewed Chinese interest. Cheniere Energy and Boeing also posted gains on the trade deal's energy and aerospace positives. Airbus saw declines. Microsoft edged down about 0.2% ahead of its key earnings report, while healthcare stalwarts Merck and United Health each dropped as investor caution weighed on growth names. Sophie and JetBlue showed strength in financial and travel segments. Macro and sentiment outlook strategists warned that while trade optimism is helping, elevated valuations with the S&P trading well above 20 to earnings leave markets vulnerable to volatility. The week is pivotal, with earnings from big tech names including Apple, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft. The Fed's expected rate decision likely a hold, and key data like July's jobs report and PCE inflation looming. Events to watch this week: Federal Reserve policy decision on Wednesday, rate hiking pause expected, but guidance critical, earnings from Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Amazon, Google, United Health, and others. Economic data, July jobs report Friday, PCE inflation, consumer confidence metrics, sentiment tone based on current setups, cautious optimism. The recent US-EU trade deal has quelled some fears, while strong AI and semiconductor developments continue to support sector momentum, but elevated valuations, upcoming macro triggers, and potential global trade uncertainties suggest staying selective, balanced positioning and discipline are key.